Good morning, dear students. Hope you are fit and fine. In last video, we have started with our Unit 1, third chapter 1.3, that is Autobiography of a Great Indian Barrister. So, last two paragraphs were remaining. So, let us proceed with the next two paragraphs. On page number 7, you may have heard about a great human friend of ours, Dr. Salim Ali. He had even suggested that we should be given the status of the national bird of our country, but the honor went to our beautiful relative, the peacock. Now, here the great Indian bustard is telling us that you all people have heard the great human friend of our, means the great human friend of animals. And what is his name? His name is Dr. Salim Ali. Now, Dr. Salim Ali had suggested that great Indian bustard should be given the status of the national bird of our country. As you know that our national bird is peacock. So how it happened? Let us see. He has suggested, Dr. Salim Ali has suggested that great Indian bustard should give the status of our national bird, but the honor went to our beautiful relative, the peacock. But they did not become what? The national bird, but national bird is peacock. So they are the relatives. Peacock are the relatives of whom? Great Indian bustard. I am happy to tell you that I am the state bird of Rajasthan. Now, as Dr. Salim Ali was what? In favor to give this honor to great Indian bustard, but this honor did not went to great Indian bustard. Which honor? National bird honor of our country. And you all know that our national bird is what? Peacock. So then also great Indian bustard is telling what? He is telling, I had told you first only, he is happy to say that he is the state bird of what? Of which state? Rajasthan. Okay, we have got 10 centuries for our protection, but sadly our number is still going down. Now here great Indian bustard is telling what? We have got 10 centuries. Now what do you mean by centuries? Centuries is a place, a reserved area for birds and animals to provide them protection. Okay, sanctuary is a reserved area for birds and animals to provide them protection. So what Indian bustard is telling? He is telling that we have got 10 centuries for our protection. Okay, but sadly our number is still going down. He is telling that we have 10 centuries, but then also our numbers are going down, means the species are going on decreasing. Okay, that bird is going on decreasing. We used to live in all parts of India. Now what great Indian bustard is telling, that we were first found in all parts of India, but slowly the growing population of man pushed us away from more than 90% of our home regions. Now great Indian bustard is telling that due to the population, slowly growing population, as you know our India's population is growing, so due to that population, man has pushed, means we human beings are pushing the birds and animals, everything, us away from more than 90% of our home region. All the whole region, home regions were there. As you know, all know that due to deforestation, cutting of the forest, all birds and animals are getting what? Getting lesser and lesser. So they are becoming extinct. So here the great Indian bustard is giving, telling that who is responsible? We human beings are responsible. Okay, we are afraid of hunters that kill us for fun. Now what great Indian bustard is telling, they are afraid of whom? Hunters. Now hunters, why they kill the animal? Only for fun. We also die due to electric power lines that we can't see while flying. Now, what the Great Indian Bustard is telling, that we normally, many of our Great Indian Busters dies because of what? Electric power lines. When they are flying, they can't see that power lines, and they are dashed to that power lines and they are burned. Okay, we are losing our homes today. Only the last 200 of us are left in the world. Now, what the Great Indian Bustard is telling, only how many birds are there? Great Indian Bustards are there only 200 in full world. Okay, we need your support and love in order to survive. Can you help us? Now, what Great Indian Bustard is telling, he is telling that we need your support. What for? What? We need your support and love in order to survive. Only these 200 species are there, 200 birds are there. So the Great Indian Bustard is requesting us, he is asking us, okay, does the human can help us? Okay, you can write letter to your leaders and make an appeal to help us. Now the Great Indian Bustard is giving us idea also how we can help Great Indian Bustard. What the Great Indian Bustard is telling? Great Indian Bustard is telling that you should write a letter to your leader and make an appeal to help us. You should write in that letter that we should help whom? Great Indian Bustard. You can make my drawing and submit it to your teacher. Now next, what idea Great Indian Bustard is giving? You can make my drawing. You can draw the picture of Great Indian Bustard and submit it to the teacher. You can discuss this with your parents. We can also discuss this matter with parents. Come to see us at Century. Now, what he is telling, that if you want to, Great Indian Bustard is telling, if you want to see us, you can visit our Century, because now you will not see us in the other places. Now, what Great Indian Bustard is telling, as we are going down, as we are very less, you can't see us in each and every state or each and every places. So you can come and visit us in the Century, so you can see us. And who knows, if human don't help us, none of us will be left on the earth. Now, what this Great Indian Bustard is telling, Great Indian Bustard is thinking, if human will not help them, then we will not survive. Not a single bird you can see on the earth. Okay, you will only see us in the picture. Now, very sadly, Great Indian Bustard is telling, if the humans will not help us, you can't see us in what? On the earth, and you will only see us in the picture. As I said you before also, this story, this autobiography is written by whom? Dr. Pramod Patil. Here we have finished with our chapter 3. I hope you all have understood this lesson. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.